Hey peeps, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your 90s yearbook, your 90s throwback with AI yearbook. So guys, if you want to use this template, this actually particular one, you can tap on this, but you'll be redirected to pick templates where you need to be swapping faces, different faces, and then saving them one after the other to be collated together for the yearbook. But if you don't want to go through the hassles or that stress, just tap on this crown. If you're using the modded version or the pro version, you should be able to use this VIP. I'm not sure, I'm using the modded version, so the mod version, so I don't know if you can actually use it on the free plan. If not, if you need the mode version, please drop a comment in the comment section. Just tell me you are interested in the mode version, and then I'm going to add you to my Telegram group where you'll be given the free link to download the mode version. All right guys, so let's dive into the video. So having tap on this crown, you come to this artistic AI photo shoot. Tap on it, and then it's going to bring all these out for you. My yearbook, multi-team, futurista, droll animal selfies, endless circle, and a whole lot of other things that you may want. Many nation, career trial, Thanksgiving to remember, 90s photo shoot. So anyone at all that you may want. So you can see all of them are here. We have the 70s yearbook, we have everything. So I'm going to tap on this my yearbook. So let's just quickly rush down and see what they all look like. So see the my yearbook. Okay guys, you can see it's loading up now. So we have the Bomber Babe, Waffler, It Girl, Denim Diva, Leather Girl, Not So Blue, Cotton Candy, 90s Darling, and the rest. You can see it. We have Pom Pom Girl, we have the Cheerleader, we have the School Sweetheart. So everything is quite here in this whole pack, so you don't need to be swapping faces one after the other. But if you actually love the beautiful templates that are there and you want your pictures to be in that format, so you can go through that one and swap faces, then they collate for you into a yearbook. So now what you do is download the whole pack, and there you have everything saved, and you can just go ahead and upload them on your social media handles. So having done this, let's go look at the other templates. We have multi-team, we have futurista. Let's look at this futurista. Let's see what it looks like. You can see all the templates are here. They're actually beautiful too. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. You can actually download the whole pack if you're interested in the whole pack, or you can save the pictures individually as you want. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.